Jamaica, little bit of this and little bit of that. Today I will be discussing aspects of St. Elizabeth. St. Elizabeth was once the largest parish in Jamaica. It was split to form parts of Westmoreland and Manchester and named in honor of Lady Elizabeth Muddyford, wife of Sir Thomas Muddyford, governor of Jamaica between 1664 and 1671. Today, St. Bess is the third largest parish in Jamaica. There are popular cities in St. Elizabeth Parish. 1. Black River, Santa Cruz, La Covia. There are many places that you can go and have fun in St. Elizabeth. And I've been to Alligator Pond. Yes. Alligator Pond is a fishing village on the southwestern coast, right? And it's located in Manchester Parish, but is right on the border of St. Elizabeth. And fishermen would go there and they would catch fish. You also have Apple Valley Park. This is only open by reservation. This family natural park is located in the sleep rural town of Magati near the head of the Black River. You also have Allen Bamboo. We call it Allen Bamboo, but it's actually Bamboo Avenue. And this is a 2.5 mile long photogenic archway of bamboo on both sides of the road. Yep. You also have beaches that you can go to. The heart of this beach country is a 4-mile stretch of fishing coves along Calabash Bay, Frenchman's Bay, and Billy's Bay, known as Treasure Beach. Yep, can go there and have fun in the water. You have also the Black River Safari Tours. This is another must for ecotourists. This is a 44-mile long Black River and is the second longest in Jamaica. Rio Minho is longer and can be navigated by boat for about 12 miles. So you see a lot of fun you can have in St. Elizabeth. You have the Front Hill Beach Park and Wildlife Sanctuary. I got to understand that this is now closed. And it is closed from 2013. And we do not know when it will be reopened. Right? We also have Lover's Leap. And Lover's Leap is east of Treasure Beach of the main road. Is a cliff plunging about 1,600 feet into the sea. You also have Middle Quarters Swimp. Never eaten swimp, but if you are a swimp lover, it is a place that is known for women igglers who stand on the roadside peddling. I heard their shrimp are actually crayfish and are caught in traps made from split bamboo in the African tradition and cooked on roadside grills. Careful, they are delicious but spicy. I don't eat those things, but if you do, you can go have fun in St. Elizabeth. Then you have the Pondside Lake. Yep, it is known otherwise as Wallywash Great Pond. This is the largest freshwater lake in the island, situated about 6 miles from Black River on the road on Mountainside. Yep, you can go and do your fishing. That seems to be a lot of fun. And you also have the Wyeth Falls. These falls are considered by many to be Jamaica's most spectacular waterfalls. Yep, there are 7 waterfalls separated by pools, ideal for swimming. So you can have fun all over in St. Elizabeth. Fun, 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 fun till it can't done.